everyone, good morning. Welcome to another vlog about a day in my life. Today it's Sunday and my team is co-locating next week to work together in person, which is super exciting. I got some new jewelries from Luisa and I'm gonna go pick them up right now. And I'll come back to show you guys my business outfits for next week and also pack. These are my new Luisa jewelries. I got 4 pairs of earrings and they each come with a little cotton pouch. It's really nice to storage them. A little background story about this is that I've been working on a lot of sustainability projects in the past few months and looking at those tables and charts and really realizing that without enough sustainability actions, we're all gonna be pretty much doomed in the foreseeable future. It's just really alarming to me. So ever since then, I've been trying to live a sustainable lifestyle myself, and that includes buying from sustainably produced products. So when I heard about Luisa, which is a jewelry brand that produces sustainable jewelries, I became really interested and I decided to give them a try. If you've never heard about Luisa, they produce sustainable jewelries made from recycled base metals whenever possible. And their packaging and mailing materials are also mainly made from recycled paper and cardboard. Besides being carbon and water neutral, the jewelries also just look really pretty and delicate. So I really love these new jewelries. I already have some ideas of how I'm gonna pair them with my business outfits for next week, and I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. But if you are interested in getting some of their jewelries yourself, I'm gonna add a link in the description box down below, and also here's a discount code for 10% off. I usually bring 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair for work and another pair for workout and when I fly, and I'll also bring some slippers. This week I am bringing these Stuart Weitzman boots. I really like these because they're so easy to pair with any kind of work outfits, and they can also look very casual if you just wear them for like a dinner with friends. I'll show you guys the outfits I'm going to pack for this coming week, and hopefully that'll give you guys some inspiration for your own work wardrobe. Since I'm flying out early Thursday afternoon, I am bringing 3 outfits. The first one is with a loose fit khaki blazer, champagne colored top, and washed blue jeans. I'm wearing a black belt with brass hardware which connects the colors of my top, my boots, and my bag. Since I'll be flying and we will work at the office, I want to feel a bit more casual, so I like to roll up my sleeves and feel more comfortable. For jewelries, I'm wearing my Luisa Cuidado hoop earrings, which just look really chic and clean, but also add a playful spin to my look. For Tuesday, I'm going to wear a white blouse with high-waisted black pants. I think it's great to have some basic pants like these that can easily go with any of my white blouses. What I love about this outfit is that the blouse neck has a white and black tie, which makes me look really sharp and fashionable. Here is the third outfit I'm bringing for Wednesday and team dinner. I love how this black blouse has puffed sleeves and a high neck, which make me look really elegant. I'm pairing this outfit with my Luisa Frida pearl earrings, which look classy and stylish. If I replace my necklace with some more pearls, I'll look instantly ready for a formal dinner. Hi Yuki! Hi Dior! Starting off my workout, I always do some warm-up exercises to activate my leg and booty muscles. My recent booty workout routine starts with glute thrusts. I do 8 sets with increased weights every 2 sets. Then I'm going into Romanian deadlifts. These 2 exercises are great for building up the primary booty muscle. Next, I'm doing some glute-dominant Bulgarian split squats. This exercise is really effective for underbutt separation. I proceeded to some hyperextensions, which focus more on squeezing those upper booty muscles. And finally, I finished off with some hip abductor exercises. Dressed up and I'm ready to meet my friends for some Korean barbecue. I am wearing this sweater that my friend gave to me when she moved to the East Coast, and she actually recycled and sewed on these buttons herself. So reduce, reuse, recycle, my friends. All right, ciao.
Your flight attendant call back. Traffic.
Alright everyone, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know how to think about it in the comment section. And remember to use this discount code if you want to get some jewelries from Luisa yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!